What's going on, everyone? How's everybody doing? I'm going to be working on a Mercedes-Benz CLA 250 or CLA or any type of Mercedes-Benz. I'm sure it's almost identical. So on this one, have you guys ever had this message on your dash? Wait it out. Have you guys ever had this message on your dash? It says auxiliary battery malfunction. So what that basically is, there is a secondary battery for your accessory, basically, right? It says auxiliary. So let's go ahead and replace that, and I'll show you how. So in this, I've never done it before. Just like everyone else, you go underneath your dash on the passenger side, you pull this out, and then we're gonna be removing sorry about the shakiness. This is the battery right over here. You see this little tab, you just pull down, it'll pop off. You see how it doesn't come out? So what you need to do, let's remove this, I'm gonna go dig in there. Let's remove this cover right here from the filter, the pollen filter, the cabin filter. So let's go ahead and remove that. So for your cabin filter, basically, you just, is it pull or push? I'm gonna have to pull that thing. And then take it out. There's two of them, there's two tabs. One here, there's the other one. You just put this on the side. And see how over here is your cover for the secondary battery, auxiliary. So there is the battery, and it's held on by, I don't know, that's a 10 millimeter or 11. Let's figure it out, positive and negative. So let's take that out. So it's a 10 millimeter, no special tool required. So see how easy that is. And then you take out the other one. Make sure you don't have any contact on the positive to another metal or any ground, or else it'll spark. So I'm gonna go ahead and just remove this, guys, right here. Put it on the side. Take out the other one as well. So both are out. Put the negative on this side, and then right over here, just unplug the vent. So this is the vent for the battery. So just unplug it, put it on the side as well. And I think you're ready to pull this out. So I'm gonna need my two hands, so I don't think there's any handle over here to pull them out. So I'll be right back and pull it out with my two fingers or two hands. Hold on, okay? All right, so I have a nut over there and nut over there. So what I did, I just got a piece of foam. Because it doesn't have a holder, so what I did is just press down on the foam and insert the screw on top of it, so it's just sitting up there. So let's put it on, and that's only one thing, the drawback on this battery, that the screw is actually not attached to it, but there's always a way. You can put paper or whatever you want to put in there just to hold the screw up, or you could put a tape, whatever, double-sided if you want, just to hold the screw up there. Anyway, let's put it on. That was easy. It took me like 10 seconds to put the foam, so it sits like that. You know what I mean? It's foam anyway, so it's just basically insulator. It doesn't burn anything or whatever. Let's put it back on. So the positive is on the right, which is the red, if you don't know. And it looks like this one doesn't have the vent thing, so we'll just leave it alone. Insert it like that, just drops in. Put the positive first because you took it out first, and I'm gonna need my two hands to put it in. I'll be right back. Till it's tight. Make sure it's not too tight but not too loose, you know, you can just feel it. There you go. So both are on, and we don't have a vent thing over here, so we're just gonna leave it over there. And hopefully it would last a long time like the other one. Well, this one is very inexpensive anyway. It's like only a couple bucks. I mean, 30 something bucks. You could go to Mercedes-Benz and the price is probably like $100 something. I mean, if you don't want to do that mod, make sure you just buy the factory one or aftermarket. This piece actually came from Amazon, so you know, it's an Amazon part. So just go reverse order. There's a little hook right over here. You have to hook it right over there. See the hook? So just kind of feel it and cup it. So once you put back the cover, make sure everything aligns, the clip and everything. And then you put this back on. The orientation is, oh, this is made by Denso, a Japanese company. Make sure this is side up. Just go inside. There's a clip on the back. And then you just slide it in. See that? When you slide it in, it just goes perfectly fine. And then you just clip back on the, hold on, I'll be back. See this clip right here? Just clip it back on. The cabin filter is back on. The cover is back on right over here. And then all you have to do is push this back. Make sure everything is, you know, this thing is always like this. It never clips back on, like perfectly fine like that. And then I don't know why. Anyway, could have held that down, and that's it. And that's how you put back your battery on your CLA or your Mercedes-Benz. Let's start the car and let's see if that message is gone. Let's go ahead and start the car. All right, so it looks like the message is gone. And that's how you replace your auxiliary battery or accessory battery on your car, the secondary one. Anyway, guys, until next time, CLA, Mercedes-Benz, or Mercedes-Benz. God bless. Thanks for watching the video, and I hope that helps you. And I'll see you in the next one. Take care, everyone. God bless. Subscribe, please. Help me out on my channel. Bye.